Hi everyone! I hope you're doing well. So the last video I showed you how to get this into Notability. I've got Notability open right now. So we're starting from there. So here's that Kim chart I keep talking about. I had slides about. So it's 3 columns. The first column is keyword. It's your vocab word or term. In this case, independent variable. Second column is information, which is the I, so K-I-M. Information is the definition in your own words. Look at the Quizlet from the Ignite today to help you. Don't just Google it because you're going to make it even harder to figure it out in your own words. So it's got to be something that makes sense to you. It can be almost the same as what I have in Quizlet, but it shouldn't be exactly the same. It needs to make sense to you. And your memory clue, the M, is something that helps you remember what independent variable means. So it could be a picture, using it in a sentence, an example. So what I might do with this one, and actually with the dependent variable as well, is I might either draw a picture like that picture from watering the different plants, different things from the variable slides, and then circle the one that's the independent variable, the different liquids, or I can write a testable question and circle the independent variable, or I could just write some examples. If I want to find out how much water a plant needs, what's the effect of the amount of water, then I could say I would just say if this is my problem, so maybe I'll write it in here. By the way, if you have draw boxes turned on, you can draw a box in the box that you are trying to fill. So there, now I have my text box the right size. If I want to know how the amount of water affects plant growth, the independent variable, oops, I spelled independent wrong. No, I didn't. Independent variable is the amount of water, because I would change that in my experiment. So that's using it in a sentence. Don't use my sentence, create your own sentence. But that's using it in a sentence. And remember, we're going to Quizlet for the information, that's the definition. So I could, just from my own memory, because I know these really well, I'm going to say the variable, that gets changed on purpose. Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to do your own for independent variable and the same thing for dependent variable, and then controlled variables. Be creative, have fun.